Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss an important topic: Lukaku goal with Chesterfield. Chelsea with Chesterfield 3-1. So let's get started. Chelsea take our National League leaders Chesterfield this afternoon at Stamford Bridge and are heavy favorites to book their place in the FA Cup fourth round. Good afternoon and welcome to live coverage of Chelsea FA Cup third round clash against non-league Chesterfield at Stamford Bridge. The game is the Blues third in a week and all have come in different competitions. It's partly why a Thomas Tuchel is expected to heavily rotate this side. Yet the Chelsea head coach in his test today contest is not a merry formality for his side, despite the National League leaders sitting 9-1 places below the Blues in the English football pyramid. We can lose any game in football. Tuchel said that's why the game is so popular. You will never hear me say we cannot lose before a game. This would be a ugly arrogant. This is not the attitude with which we want to approach the game tomorrow. Of course, we are favors the opposite to Germany, where we would switch the home advantage to the lower team. We have the advantage of no travel and playing in front of our spectators in our home stadium. Yes, we are the huge favorites. How we want to win, and we demand it from ourselves. Still, we respect the game and the opponent. You can demand it from yourself, but if you think it through, you need a performance to deliver. We need to be ready, have a strong squad that's ready to enjoy these minutes, because if you want to reach the next round you need to win. And this is as boring as it is, but it is like this. Tuchel will be without Ben Chilwell, Ricky James, hamstring trio, Slavoj, hamstring Chico Silva, COVID, and Golo, Kanti, COVID, Kisar, Aspilicueta may also be arrested, having suffered from cramp in the midweek win over to Tottenham in the Carabao Cup. The German has, however, promised to put out a strong side against Chesterfield, and we will have all the but up the confirmed team news and goal and source updates from the match. So stick with Football London, and you won't miss a single moment from Stamford Bridge. Uh, Timo, it's all over. The Stamford Bridge and Chelsea have won this game comfortably as expected. In truth, Timo Werner, Callum Hudson, Audio, Romelu Lukaku, and Larissa Christensen and Hakim Ziyech were all on target for the Blues, who advanced into the fourth round. An impressive performance from Chelsea, then albeit against non-league opposition. But how has impressed you? Have your say in our man of the match survey? And that's the moment the traveling spotters came for a break. Results in Tashmanga, forcing Bitanili into a save, and the bomb falls to Santi, who 6 yards out and with an open goal cannot miss. The Chesterfield spotters go wild. That's all. Be a nice memory for them to take away from this game. Thank you so much for watching my video. Goodbye and have a good day.